Welcome to another episode of me playing a game while you are trying to fall asleep. Hope you enjoy. In this episode, we are checking out SkyChildrenOfTheLight, new season of Blueburn. I have not heard of it before, but I know it is a story from a long time ago, under the same name. I think there was also a play of it of some sort. Well, I haven't seen it myself. So this will be the first time I will be checking it out for myself. Hope you enjoy. Wow. The blue burn. The blue burn. Oh? A little scene. A child is stricken with a powerful and enduring sadness. The child's family has gathered, each hoping to help lift the sorrow. Together, you must find and bring back the legendary blue burn. Wow! Look at this area! Let's go towards the story. What happens here? Wow, I love the blue, I love the stars. Wow, what is this? What are you trying to show me? Oh! The first quest, Act 1. Palace? To heal this child's sorrow, you must find the blue burn. I know of a burn, blue like sapphires, whose coal rings out a lavish feast. Are you gonna take me there? Follow the royal Hirtau's teen to the citadel to seek the blue burn. I hope I'm reading it correctly. I think you know what I mean. Wow! I know this area. It looks so different, so cute. A blue feather, the bird must be nearby. Can I see it if I call it? Oh, I like what they've done with this place. Pick up the feather. I have a little spirit that's dancing with me. Oh, is that the burn? No, okay, that's more candle. Oh, that's another feather. There's so much wax. I already got 3 candles. That's crazy. Okay, let me go to the next feather. There we go. Whoa! this wax. Okay, I got the next one. There's this also tiny candle. Whee! Was that the finale? Was that the last one? Oh, wait. I got... Whoa! 4 candles already? That is crazy. Okay, what else do I have to do? Oh. Something right here. Wait. Oh, I found them all now. That's adorable. Alright, now the game tells me to catch the blue bird to reveal its true nature. I just want to get all the wax first. Whee! We got it! Wait, this is not working as intended. Okay, I'm going for it. Did I catch it? Whoa! I did it! There's a little cutscene again. What happened? Oh, everybody seems so sad. And now they are walking away. And everything is closing down. Everybody got sad. And he got left alone by himself and now decided to shut it off fully? It was such a fun party too. Let me see what the finale of that mission is. A bird was found and its feathers were blue. But it disappeared like candle smoke. So they lost the bird. But it's still okay, right? Oh, look, I got a heart. And I got a new emote as well. Wow! The next mission is in 13 days. That was really cute. I really liked it. I think I liked it more than the previous season's story. Wow. I'm impressed. Okay. Let's check out those missions from today. Or actually, I want to see the cosmetics too. You can sometimes, or maybe all the time, see it in the closet over here. Oh. So this season's cosmetic. This little cape. Wait, let me zoom in. This cape. This. Oh, okay, wait. This is free. That is the pass. That is on the pass. Wow, and this is also on the pass. Wow. I really like the blue. Whoa, that's so cool. Alright. What outfits do we have? Wait. Do we have any? I think this, maybe? I don't know. Oh wait, no. There's shoes. And there's this outfit over here. And this one is free. Oh. Okay. And the shoes are also on the pass. Oh, okay. The mask. We have this blue one. We have this. Wait, let me really zoom in. We have the blue. Oh, it's a little hard to see, but it lights up in blue. Kind of looks like butterfly wings. I guess it's supposed to be like blue. Blue bird wings. And of course the necklace. Ah! Do we have any hair? Maybe this? Is that the only hair? Wait. There's this thing on the side. I have no idea what it's called. And there's also... headphones! That's cute! It's actually really cute. Oh. Do we get any items? Oh yeah, we get this. But what is that? What do you actually do? Maybe that was just like the tree that we just saw. Anyway, I really like some of the cosmetics, maybe not all of them. I also really want to admire the sapling in a golden wasteland. Okay. I really want to do that. Oh, bonfire at the wasteland graveyard. And catch the light. I'm getting a lot of errors in the connecting, but I don't know what it's about. Okay. I think I'm gonna start with the sapling. Oh wait, no, I see the light. Is that what I have to catch? Oh, that's also the spirit I have to get. Nice. They're both next to each other. Okay, well, I know I started the spirit, but I also really want to get the light. Yay! There we go, an extra little candle. Whoa, no, she lands in the middle. Wait. I think that's the last one we have to catch, maybe? I think the finale is here. Wait, where did you go? Did I miss something? I think I broke the spirit, maybe? Where's the light going? Is it on top? Well, I think I broke the spirit, so maybe someone else can help me fix it. I see there's 2 other players. Are you going towards the spirit quest? I hope you are. That was 1, 2. Oh look, they fixed it. Nice. Or maybe it fixed itself. I don't know. Yay! Now let's go towards the sapling we have to admire. I don't have enough wings, so I really hope those... what is this? Flowers? Can you give me enough light, please? It's exactly enough, I think. Yay! Let's go. I see the sapling right there, right in front of me. I am not sure where the wasteland graveyard is. Yeah, let's grab some butterflies on the way. Oh, and we can also get some light. Yay! Thank you, lady. Whee! Okay, the time is about to be up, and I think that is the direction we have to go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, I miscounted. 3, 2, 1. Whee! This is gonna be the last thing we do. Visit bonfire at the wasteland graveyard. Where are you, bonfire at the graveyard? Will I be able to see you? need some quick light. And we go. Oh, I don't think I have enough light. Oh no. Ah! Okay, I ran the whole wrong way. That's fine. Whee! Wait, that's enough, I think. This one gives me light a little quicker. Alright. I think the campfire is on this side here. I think I landed a little too quickly. I meant it like over here. Yeah! Let me... No. Oh. And... No. And... Oh, I can't get the last one. Whee! Alright. Let us go back to home and give back our little side quest. Let's get the candles. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you enjoyed having this video in the background. Or maybe you managed to fall asleep. Oh! Regardless of what happened, thank you so much for being here and stopping by in the first place. Right now, we are really close to hitting our milestone of 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. So thank you so much for helping out, and you watching this video really helps and supports this channel, so thank you. Thank you! And good night, or good day, or evening. Bye!